Welcome back. Now once you have the recording file inside of your editor, what you can do is bring that recording file down to the timeline so that you can begin the editing process. And you're going to see that there's a link here that says add to the timeline at the playhead. That's going to bring your recording file down to the timeline. And basically, this is where you're going to begin the editing process in order to create your final video. Now, at the end of the process, you can create a new video, or you can export the entire file as an audio. Now, traditionally, if you were going to create a new audio, you would go through the rendering process, which is now called exporting in the new Camtasia. You would go to your export area, either create a local file or go through the custom production. If you go to the custom production, what you're going to notice is that if you're going to create an audio-only file, that the choice you're given is to create an M4A file. Now, in many cases, you may want to create an MP3 file, and in versions of Camtasia such as Camtasia 9, you could only create this M4A file and not an MP3 file. However, in more recent editions, what you can do is to export your file and to go to this link that says Export Audio Only. What you're going to see here in the drop-down area is that you can actually export as a WAV file or as an MP3 file. And so we're going to export as an MP3 file. And we're going to click Save. And then Camtasia will create the MP3 file. Now, it's possible that you may want to create multiple MP3 files at one time from Camtasia. And the process for doing this is called batch production. And we will look at that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.